Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create GCash account using student's ID in 2023. So make sure to stick by and follow the tutorial steps, and please note that this information is provided here is illustrative purposes only. And it's essential to comply with GCash's actual guidelines and requirements when creating an account. So as I said, make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. If you have a million browsers, whatever browser you prefer. Once you do so, go to this URL section, simply type gcash.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, of course, here you will find yourself on the customer option. You can create an account for customer option or even business. If you have our business, we have SME, enterprise, and partner marketing. So depending on who you are, you can go and create an account for those three. So you can scroll down here, read more information about this GCash if you don't know much about it for business and even customer. You can even go and download the app of GCash on your phone as an example if you are trying to create an account. So as I said, if you don't know much about this, make sure to familiarize yourself with this, click on learn more, read more information about it, have all the information that you want, because a lot of people won't just open an account on a place that they know nothing about. As you can see, so if you want to open an account here, so from bartender laid off to a business owner, and I don't know what language is that, so let's just ignore it. So here, you'll simply have to click on register. And as you can see, if you click on register here, let's just wait for the page until it loads. Of course, you'll simply have to go and start by entering your phone number. So as you can see, get started by creation your GCash account, buy, load, pay bills, and more, create an account, and start enjoying cashless transaction, now available for our network. Click on proceed to GCash registration, and just wait for the page until it loads. So as you can see here, you'll simply have to enter your phone number, and which is, let's just see, plus 63, which country, and as you can see, it's Philippines. So you will need a Philippines number to create an account on GCash. If you don't have a Philippine number, just try to go and get Philippine numbers, because without it, you will not be able to create an account here. So once you have your Philippine numbers, simply come back here, enter that number, they'll send you a code, then you'll simply have to provide your information. So basically you'll have to sign up for a new account and provide your information, because in the registration form, enter your valid personal details such as your full name, a mobile number, of course, which will start with this here, and email address, and make sure or ensure that you use an email address that you have access to. And once you're provided the necessary information, the app will require from you to verify your phone number if you are on the phone app. If you're not on the phone app, of course, that thing you will start with, you will have to verify your phone number. GCash will send you a verification code to the mobile number you provided via SMS. Enter the code in the app to proceed, or even in the browser. So there's even the app you can download this example. Let me just here go and open Memo, and I will show you what I'm talking about this example. And meanwhile, of course, here you will simply have to provide your number. Once you do so, of course, you'll have to select like your identification type. So in the hypothetical scenario, select like student ID as your identification type. So I guess it's open now. So let's just go here to Play Store as an example and download the G app or GCash app. So GCash, hit the enter button. As you can see, here is it. Make sure to install it. And meanwhile, once installed, of course, if you are just using that on browser, I guess the registration will not be finished on the browser, so you will have to always go to your phone. But you'll be able to start creating your account, so you'll have to provide your informations and your phone number. After that, of course, while creating your account will have to pass through 3 steps of verifying, so you can start using it. And of course, you will have to take a photo of your student's ID. You can use your smartphone camera to take like a clear, eligible photo of your student's ID and make sure the information on the ID is visible. and readable in photo. After that, make sure to submit your student's ID photo. Upload your photo of your student's ID to the GCash app for verification. Please note that the real GCash app might have additional verification steps and may require from you to provide like further documentation. As you can see here, once it's installed on the phone here, let me just go and open it up and request permission. So click on OK. And as you can see here, the same, you'll have various options, not just like the browser here. The browser will just need from you Philippine number, but here you'll be able to use in Philippines, Australia, Canada, Italy, Japan, United Kingdom, and United States. Of course, just enter whatever number you want on those and enter your number, verify your phone number. Once you do so, of course, you'll be able to start using the app. So basically, I don't have any of those numbers, so I cannot create an account at the moment. But of course, for you, you will have to simply, once you create your account, go to the settings. You'll find the settings at the top or bottom right corner of your option. Just simply, or not settings, you'll find the profile option. Click on that option, and as you can see, you will find 3 steps for you. So those 3 steps is going to be, first of all, basic level, semi-verified, and fully verified. So simply, you'll have to click on verify now at the top. And once you click on verify, you'll have to provide some information, some document they'll ask you for. And of course, from there, you will have to click on get started, and you'll have to access or provide your Maganda NG valid ID and a lot of other stuff. As example, so you can even click on list of acceptable ID, click on there, and keep clicking on next step. So make sure to go to keep clicking on next until you finish and you reach the fully verified. And of course, once you've reached the fully verified, or once you reach the step of sell us yourself, you'll be able to add your student's ID. And once you add it, of course, you will find yourself, you created your account on the GCash with a student's ID. So you'll simply have to follow the prompts or the steps provided by the app. It's not going to be that hard. You'll simply will have to keep providing information that you will need and keep clicking on the next button. It's not going to be that hard. So, of course, like some recommended ID will be like driver license, the UMID, the Philly Health ID, postal ID, passports, SSS ID, PRC ID, voters ID, HDMF or bag EBIG ID or national ID. But other IDs, of course, will include even students' ID. So if you have it, just go and get it down there and simply enter your ID there. Get a picture of it, as we said before, and you will be normally good to go. After that, of course, you will have to wait for verification. Once you submitted your student's photo ID, GCash will review the information provided. Verification times may vary, and you may receive confirmation once your account is successfully verified. After that, of course, you'll be able to start using GCash accounts, and you can enjoy various services such as cashless transaction, bill payments, full transfers, and more. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations on how to, or know how to create an account or GCash account using like student's ID. So if you like the video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one, and I will see you in the next video.